This cute little Bolero pattern I've knitted twice, and I'm going to be showing you some close-up details of those, and for the actual pattern details I'll pop them at the end of the video. This is a vintage pattern that I enjoyed knitting. It's a Bolero, so it's just to the waist with a curved front. It's knit entirely in 2x2 rib, and except for this little detail on the front here, which was not too difficult to do. It's the ribbing, and then you stop and some of the ribs continue up, and then you sort of create them, squeeze together with a bit of cabling, and then back up to more rib. There is a crochet edge all around the edge. Crochet isn't my forte, but I can manage to do crochet around a bit of knitting. The pattern is for short sleeved, but this is another pattern where I decided I'd like to have long sleeved. So as I've done before, I measured the ribbing around my wrist to work out how many stitches I needed to do that, and then from the cuff until the armpit I worked out how long I want this to be and divide the number of stitches between how many inches or centimetres or whichever way you work to get to the point where the armpit is to be worked. I do recall I changed the head on this because it's a puff sleeved head, and I just wanted it to be a normal set-in sleeve. I did write the details for how I did that part of the pattern on my Ravelry, and my Ravelry link is on my my channel, so please do check out that if you want to find out how I altered the pattern there. I've knit this twice. So I've knit it in this really nice magenta yarn. Can't remember the composition of it, but I can feel it's nice stuff. I don't know whether it's Angora or something, but it's very nice and soft. This is quite a nice luxury one. But I did knit it in another one as well, and I did that in green. So this is a green 4-ply. This is more of an acrylic yarn, but it still looks, it's nice. It's nice forest green. And again, I did long sleeves for this one in the same way, and I changed the sleeve cap as I've just described. The pattern for this is Best Way Leaflet 900. It's on lots of places online. You probably find it on Etsy or various sellers. But like I say, the pattern is for short sleeved. The pattern says to use 3-ply yarn, which is a vintage yarn. A good modern substitute is 4-ply or fingering yarn. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thumbs up is always much appreciated. Please check out my playlist because I've got lots more information and inspiration there on vintage knitting. And if you subscribe, you can follow along in the future for more inspiration and top tips also. Thank you.